I'd like to show you how to use a Google application called Google Scholar. Now, Google Scholar is a great search tool for you when you are doing a research report. So, for college students or middle school, high school, or if you just want to do your own research on a topic, because let's say if you were to do a typical search on the main Google page, you're going to get a ton of just thousands and maybe even millions of postings, blog postings, and just a lot of information. And Google Scholar sifts through all of that, and they're going to only give you articles or case law, more scholarly resources. So this is a great tool for you to do some searching and not have to sift through just thousands of postings. All right, so I'm going to show you how to use it. You're going to type in the URL box scholar.google.com, and this is what will come up. And what you could do is go to this little menu bar here on the left, and this is where you could do an advanced search. You could type it in here in the front, but in the middle. But if you click on advanced search, you just have some ways to fine tune your searches. So we're just going to start with doing something in this first box, and we'll do late school start times in high school. This is a really big issue in my daughter's high school. So we're going to research what other people have said about it. So yeah, that's 2 million. That's a lot of results. And I know this is sort of a recent topic. So let's go ahead and do it since 2018. And now we're down to 21,000 results. So that's a little bit easier. So now you can go ahead and take a look at Rise and Shine, the effective school start times on academic performance. So I want to focus more on high school. So I'll go ahead and do this one, delayed school start times and adolescent health. So what you can also look at is, I'm actually not going to do this one because you can see here that 23 people have already cited this resource. So that shows that, a lot of other people have actually used this in their own research. So I am going to star this to be read later. And you can also look at related articles. And this right here is the citation. It allows you to see how it's cited in all the different standard ways. So you can use that in your report. So that's helpful. So I have starred here. So anything that you have starred, let's go ahead and see anything else. School starting age and mental health. I like to go with the ones that have been cited a lot. So I'm going to go ahead and star that one as well. So then now if I go to my library, you can access it here, or you can access it in the menu. You can go to my library. You can see the things that I have starred. So this is one I've starred earlier, but now what I like to do is give them a label. Let's say you're working on multiple research reports and you want to keep all of your articles together. So I might click on both of these, and I'm going to click on this label tab. And I'm going to continue with this label that I already have of school start times. So this makes it easy. So if you want to manage your labels, and let's say you might be doing a science report or you might be doing something else, you can just click on that label and it'll list all of the articles that you're working on that you're reading through. Okay, so you can also click on this and delete a resource. You can export it if it allows you to export it. So this is a great tool to keep track of your research and to make sure you're finding sources that are a bit more credible than a blog post or more of a, something on social media. So try Google Scholar. I think it'll save you a lot of time in your searching.